Why didn't God just create honey? Instead, he created bees, the ability to create honey. Why didn't God just create the dams and the rivers? Instead, he created the ability inside of beavers and other animals with the ability to create it for themselves. Same thing with birds and nests. It's basically selfish and irresponsible to wait for God to create something for you that he's already created inside of you. It's our job to work out what he's already worked in. What did God create in you to do?